Now question number 2. Do as per the example. Here one example is given in your workbook, page number 148 in your workbook. Now we'll start here. Here you can see this number is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. The number is 6 and how many times it repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. How many times? 5 times this number is repeated. So we write here 5 multiplied by. How many times this number is repeated? 5 times. And which number? This is 6. Okay. This way you have to write. 5 multiplied by 6. This 6 number how many times it repeated? 5 times. Okay. Next is number is 4. And how many times it repeated? 1, 2 and 3 times. ये जो number है 4 वो कितने टाइम रिपीट हुआ है? 3 times. So we'll write here first 3 multiply by कौन सा number है वो रिपीट हुआ है वो 4. So 3 multiply by 4. Okay, this way you have to write the answer. Here the number is 9 and how many times it repeated? We'll count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. How many times? 6 times. So we write here 6 multiply by the number is 9. Same number on here. So how many times it repeated? 6 times. And the number is which number? 9. Okay. पहले क्या लिखना है? जो नंबर है वो कितने टाइम रिपीट हुआ है वो हमें लिखना है. उसके बाद जो नंबर दिया है उसको उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Here the number is 7. कितने टाइम रिपीट हुआ है? ऐड हुआ है वो 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we will write 4 time it repeated and the number is 7 multiplied by 7. Okay. Here the number is 5. अब कितनी बार ऐड हुआ है वो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 times. And number is 5. कौन सा नंबर ऐड हुआ है? 5. Okay. So 7 5s are. Okay. Here last one, ninth one, 0 plus 0 plus 0. How many times it repeated? 3 times. And it is 0 like this here. Okay. Here the question number 3. This is also same but here missing number you have to write. In this blank you have to write the number whatever it is missing, either this first one or second one. So here 2, the number is 2. How many times it repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many times you add हुआ है? 4 times. So 4 multiplied by 2. Here 5 plus 5 plus 5. It is 3 times repeated and the number is 5. Here the number is 9. और कितने टाइम वो ऐड हुआ है? Yes, 1 and 2 times. Multiply by 9. Here the number is 1 and how many times it added? 1, 2 and 3 times. And the number is which is repeated is 1. 3 multiplied by 1. Rest of the sum which is given in this question number 2 and 3 that you have to solve by your own self. It's very easy. Already I have explained you. Okay. I hope this is clear to you. Now we will go to the next question number 4. That is match the following. This is also same. You have to just see. You have to count it. How many times it repeated. And you have to multiply with that number. Same thing like question number 2 and 3. So fourth one also you have to write. And I will explain you question number 5. Write in repetitive form. Here you can see question number 5. Write in repetitive addition form. So here 6 2s are. Okay, 6 2s are. So here which number is repeated? This 2 number. How many times? ये जो नंबर 2 है वो कितनी बार रिपीट करना है हमें, कितने टाइम ऐड करना है, 6 टाइम्स। कितने टाइम, 6 टाइम्स। विच नंबर, 2। ये जो सेकेंड नंबर है उसको हमें 6 टाइम्स ऐड करना है। सो 2 प्लस 2 प्लस 2 प्लस 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now count it, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Done. 6 times repetitive addition of 2. Okay. Now next, second one, 7 threes are. So here which number we have to write in repetitive form? This 3. How many times we have to add? 7 times. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now count it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 times. Done with this? Now 3 nines are. Which number we have to add? This 9. How many times? 3 times. So 9 plus 9 plus 9. Okay. Next is 2 fives are. Which number will add? This 5. How many times? 2 times. 5 plus 5. Both the side answer will be same. You can see 2 fives are 10. 5 plus 5, 10. Both the sides are same. Okay. This way we can write the repetitive addition form. Okay. I hope this is clear to you. Now last two only remaining that you have to solve by yourself. Okay. Now we will go to the next page, page number 149. Here the table is given. You have to count and count the dots, and you have to read this table. Already you have learned this table since first standard and second standard. So here also you have to repeat it. This table from 0 to 10 you have to write in your notebook. 2 times you have to write. Okay, 2 times you have to write the tables from 0 to 10. Write tables from 0 to 10. How many times? 2 times. Okay. I will explain to you how to read it. Here it is given. It would already you have learned like this. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. Okay. ऐसे ही आप इसको रीड करते हो ना. 1 ones are 1. 1 twos are 2. 1 threes are 3. Like this you have to here the dots are given in your workbook. This you have to read it. Here you can see dots are given. And how many times this dot is repeated, total dots, and the read and speak. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, like this it is given till 10. Here you have to count the dots. Okay, see this 1. So here 1 ones are 1. Okay, till 10. Next is given group of 2 dots is given in one circle. So you have to count, and here you can see this table of 2 is given. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Like this it is given till 10. Okay, on the next page you can see it is given till 10, the table of 2. Next is on page number 150, table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. In this triangle you can see group of 3 dots are given. See, in the first one triangle 3 dots are there and one triangle is there. So 3 ones are 3. 3 dots one time. So 3 ones are 3. In second row, 2 triangles are there, and in each triangle 3 dots are there. So 3 twos are 6. Like this it is given till 10. You have to count and you have to read it and understand. It's very easy and interesting. At home you have to read this, page number 149 and 150. The table of 1, 2 and 3 is given on these pages. Now we'll go to the next question, number 6. Question number 6. Here you can see the circle is given. In this 3 circles are there. Here in middle one it is written multiply by 2. So what you have to do? 2 ones are 2. You can see 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. Like this you have to multiply and you have to write the answer in this given circle. Okay. Now we'll go to the next circle. Here the table of 3. You have to multiply with the given this numbers which is given in the second circle, and in third circle you have to write the answer. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. Like this you have to write the answer. Okay. Now we'll go to the next one, question number 7. You can see here one girl is there. And here the table of 3 and the product of 3 is written over here. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. The answer is, you have to write in this given circle. 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21. Like this you have to write till 10. 3 tens are 30. It's very easy, no? And interesting. You have to write the product of 3 over here. Okay. Now we'll turn the page. Page number 152. Here also one picture, few pictures are given. Join the birds with their nests. Here it will be easy for you if you know the table of 2 and 3. For that you have to learn the table of 2 and 3. आपको tables अच्छी तरह से याद कर लेना है, पढ़ लेना है. So here you can see the table of 2 and 3 is given and their product is given over here, that you have to match with the given answer. It is written in the nest. You can see here. यहाँ पे उसके आंसर्स दिए हुए हैं. जो करेक्ट आंसर है उसके साथ आपको उसको ज्वाइन करना है. ओके. फ्यू आई हैव डन हियर एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द आंसर्स यू हैव टू ज्वाइन with the correct answer. 3 9s are 27. So you have to join over here. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. Like this over here. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. Rest of the answer you have to join. Okay. Now next is question number 9. So here picture of cycle is given and the question is, how many tires do their bicycle have? 3 cycles are there. Okay. 3 cycles. How many cycles? 3. Here in example, this is the first example. So 3 cycles first we have written, and each cycle have 2 tires. So 3 twos are 6. Okay. Next is here the rabbits. How many ears do 5 rabbits have? See, first we'll write how many rabbits? 5. And each rabbit have how many ears? 2. So here we'll write 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. Answer is 10. Okay. Next is fish is there in the jar. If one jar has 2 fishes, how many fishes do 4 jars have? So here 4 jars are there, and each jar there are 2 fishes. How many fishes? 2 fishes. I will write on the board. Here, question number 9. This first one, how many rabbits are there? 5. And each rabbit have 2 ears. So 5 2s are 10. Next is second one. 4 jars are there and each jar have 2 fishes. So 4 2s are 8. Next is third one. How many legs do 6 children have? 6 children are there and each children have 2 legs. So 6 2s are 12. Okay, here you can see the children picture is given, that you have write over in here. 6 2s are 12. Now next is question number 10. Question number 10. You can see here one butterfly is given. So here you have to write the answer first and then you have to color in that butterfly, in that wings you have to color the picture of butterfly on the basis of the table as per instruction. Here you can see the this instruction is given, color blue in the part of the wing with answer from 5 to 10. First you have to write the answer over here. This is blank is given. I have filled the color in that. In your book it is empty. First you have to write the product of this given question. 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, 3 5s are 15. Like this you have to complete it, this full butterfly. Afterwards you have to color it. See, the instruction is given first one. आपको ब्लू कलर करना है जिसका आंसर इन बिटवीन 5 to 10 है, उसमें आपको ब्लू कलर करना है. कलर ग्रीन इन द पार्ट ऑफ द विंग विथ आंसर फ्रॉम 11 to 20. ग्रीन कलर करना है जिसका आंसर 11 to 20 के बीच में है. ओके, ब्लू एंड ग्रीन इज क्लियर. नाउ टर्न द पेज. Here the instruction is given, fourth one on the top. It is color yellow in the part of the wing with answer from 21 to 25. Yellow color करना है जिसका आंसर 21 to 25 है. Next is color red in part of the wing with answer from 26 to 30. जिस प्रोडक्ट का आंसर है 26 to 30, in that you have to color red color उसमें करना है. ओके. Now next is given table of 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Here in box you can see in one box 4 dots are there. So 4 dots one time. So 4 ones are 4. 2 4 here 2 times these 4 dots are there. So 4 2s are 8. This way you have to read this till 4 10s are 40. Okay, this way you have to read this table of 5. This you have to practice at home. Okay, in one box 5 dots are there, that is one time. So 5 ones are 5. In second box you can see 2 boxes are there and each box have 5 dots. So 5 2s are 10. Okay, this way you have to read this table of 4 and 5. Turn the page. Here on the basis of that table, few questions are given. Write the correct number in given box. Okay. So here question number 11. You can see here the table of 4 and 5. On the basis of that, we have to solve this. 4 3s are 12. Okay. Here next is 4 dash equal to 6 4. Both the side the answer should be same. So here 6 4s are 24. So here also 4 6 are. You have to write 4 6 are 24. तो दोनों साइड सेम आंसर हो जाएंगे 24 24. This is the multiplication fact. 4 6 are 6 4s are. Okay. 5 9s are 45. Here this 2 and 4 are same. You can see here multiplication facts. 8 5s are 40. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा 5 8s are 40. Both the sides answer will be same. Here the answer is 15. 3 को किसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें 15 प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा. 5 3s are 15. Okay. This way you have to complete this blanks in question number 11 on the basis of table of 4 and 5. Okay. It's very easy now. I will go to the question number 12. Here you have to read and write the product of this given question. 4 9s are 4 9s are like this. So the answer is 36. Next is 5 7s are 5 7s are. It's 35. Next is 3 2s are 3 3 multiplied by 2 6. 3 2s are 6. Next is 4 3s are. So here we write 4 multiplied by 3. 4 3s are, it is 12. Okay. I hope this is clear to you. Question number 11 and 12. Next question we'll see in the next video. Okay. Thank you.